Hi friends, today we are talking about how to wash dog toys. Your pet spend a lot of time with his toys. Some toys are his favorite and go with dog where he go. Dog play with their mouth and study shows that pet toys collect dirt, bacteria, yeast, mold and viruses can be transferred to humans. If you neglect clean dog toys, you offer these germs and bacteria to fill your home. These germs are dangerous to dogs as well as for humans. Most pet owners are unaware to when to clean pet and when to destroy. Some pet owners do not wash dog toys until they look awkward and smelly. Some simply throw them instead of cleaning. This act is not effective in your pocket. Different type of toys have different method of cleaning. Some are dishwasher safe and other will not safe. Read instruction about cleaning toys. If not available, visit the brand website and read about how to wash dog toys. Cleaning your pet toys regularly is necessary to avoid disease and allergies. Here we discuss in detail how to clean different dog toys, how often you should clean and when you should destroy them. First we discuss plush or stuffed toys. Plush or stuffed toys collect more dirt and germs than other and require more frequent cleaning. Always clean these toys with safe detergent or use natural disinfectant. Stuffed toys can easily be washed in the washing machine or in normal cycle. Or you can also wash with hands. Check toys before washing in the washing machine. If you find any holes or loose tissues, avoid them in washing machine. Use mesh laundry bag when washing stuff or plush toys. Dry well before storing these toys. You can dry these toys in washing machine or outside. If contains stickers or plastic material, squeeze well to remove extra water and then dry. Now we discuss how to clean plastic, rubber and nylon toys. These types of dog toys can be washed in the dishwasher. First read instruction from the label or website. If they recommend dishwashing cleaning then go, otherwise wash with hands in the sink. Always use pet safe detergent in dishwasher. First clean dirt, debris and toys before starting washing and tape a hole on the toy to prevent detergent entry. Some toys are not dishwasher safe like thin latex rubber toys. They melt in dishwasher and damage shape and are harmful to dog toys because they release chemical. Wash these type of toys by hand and use natural disinfectant like white vinegar and baking soda. If any toy has many holes and it near to tear, trash it instead of cleaning. Next toys are dog toys with stickers. No doubt your dog loves these toys with sticker. Question is here how to clean them or we wash them with other toys or not. First read instruction on the label or from brand website and follow them. If you do not find any help, follow the below method to clean dog toys with stickers. Washing these toys with hands is preferable with white vinegar or baking soda, but cleaning in the washing machine is also acceptable. Place these toys in laundry mesh bag along with other toys. Use non-fragrance as safe detergent for cleaning. Do not use hot water to it could damage your toy. Squeeze them to remove extra water and hang them to dry in the sunlight. Next, rope ties. Rope ties collect more dirt and germs because they are soft and durable. First, you need to clean these toys in washing machine with other toys and remove excess water and then throw it in microwave for a minute. Heat will kill bacteria, yeast, mold from these rope ties. How often you should clean dog toys? The top 10 germiest thing in your home. One is your dog toys. According to the National Sanitization Foundation, no one cleans all dog toys daily. We suggest you clean dog toys at least 2 times a week. Make a schedule and wash some toys at once and others in second turn. For those toys you dog love more and use more frequently and collect more dirt and germs, daily cleaning is recommended. Follow above method to clean all these toys. Cleaning dog toys regularly is a good way to avoid health hazards for dog as well as for you. Where you store these toys in box or basket, its cleaning is also important because bacteria and viruses are also collected here. That's all about how to clean dog toys. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel.